Is it time to buy or sell Micron stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Micron. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 21st of March, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 21st of March, 2025, our system has ranked Micron as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 4.05. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it evolves in the upcoming days. The stock currently rests within the confines of a broad and weak upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential for further increases within this trajectory. The existing 3-month trend suggests an anticipated change of approximately 2.63% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 5.18% to positive 20.71%. Examining the longer-term outlook, our analysis over 12 months projects a decline of 22.1%. According to our assessments, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 46.95% and positive 3.84%. over the upcoming year. In practical terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $50.25 and $98.36. Our latest daily update for Micron presents the headline, "Is Micron stock still a buy after falling 8.04% on Friday?" The Micron stock price declined by 8.04% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 21st of March, 2025, dropping from $103 to $94.72. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.84% with a low of $93.70 and a high of $98.24. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.89% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume rose on the last day by 37 million shares, despite the falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, indicating that the risk may increase slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 63 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $5.93 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $157.54, while the lowest price was $83.54. Currently, the price stands at 39.88%, or $62.82, below the 52-week high, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Micron Technology, listed on the Nasdaq under the ticker MU, is currently experiencing mixed reactions in the market following its recent earnings report. The company surpassed analysts' expectations for its fiscal second quarter. However, its stock declined by approximately 8% due to a disappointing margin outlook. This outlook has prompted some investors to question the company's short-term profitability, as rising inventories and weak trends in NAND pricing create added pressure. Despite these challenges, analysts continue to remain optimistic about Micron's long-term potential. The growing demand driven by artificial intelligence for semiconductors suggests a promising growth horizon. With Micron's recent innovations, including its 1-gamma DRAM, the company is strategically positioned to benefit from the expanding AI market. Moreover, analysts believe that Micron's recovery from the downturn in 2023, along with increased capacity sold out through 2025, indicates a favorable upcycle ahead. In the short term, today's sell-off may lead to volatility as investors process the mixed signals from the earnings report. However, in the longer term, Micron's strong market position and technological leadership could facilitate a recovery and potentially a retest of its all-time highs. The ability to leverage AI-related demand may transform current challenges into growth opportunities for Micron. Overall, while the immediate impact on stock price may seem bearish, the long-term outlook remains positive. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned MU an outperform rating along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned MU a buy rating along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned MU an overweight rating along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned MU an overweight rating along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned MU an overweight rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Micron stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have awarded the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Micron. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near short-term development of the stock. The Micron stock shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative forecast. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $100.04 and $95.55. A breakout above any of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, March 17, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 8.14%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, indicating that closer monitoring of the stock is advisable. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 60 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 6 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal 60 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Micron. Micron finds support from accumulated volume at $91.11. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. This stock typically exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with substantial trading volume, the risk is regarded as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $4.54 between its high and low, which is a change of 4.84%. In the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 3.54%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Micron, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively standard PE ratio, frequently observed in companies with long histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 25th of June, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.48. It's vital to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Micron. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Micron is at $99.26. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Micron faces its first support level at $91.11. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Micron from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let us examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of March, 2025, Ray Michael Charles conducted an insider sale of 6,525 shares of common stock. On the 5th of March, 2025, Liu Tayan M made an insider purchase of 1,333 shares of common stock. On the 5th of March, 2025, Simon's Anna C. also made an insider purchase of 1,333 shares of common stock. On the 5th of March, 2025, Liu Tayan M conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 5th of March, 2025, Siemens Anna-C conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 4.351. Overall, insiders purchased 1,114,526 shares and sold 1,179,148 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Micron stock a good buy? The Micron stock currently presents several negative signals. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that Micron's performance may be weak over the coming days or weeks. As a result, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis from a buy to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, March 24th, we expect Micron to open higher by 83 cents, starting at a price of $95.55. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.